Apgar Village 2023 Glacier National Park. Cedar Tree Market, they sell everything you need here. Turn left here to Outdoor Auditorium with evening ranger talks. Schedules are online. Apgar Village Lodge. They also have cabins. You need reservations. I stayed at the Village Inn, which is behind me facing the lake. Lake McDonald Lodge is on the other side of the lake to the left. The road is under construction, so leave early in the morning to avoid traffic jams. Eddie's Cafe on the right. They rent all kinds of outdoor equipment. It's also a very interesting building. Apgar Village Center straight ahead. Try the huckleberry ice cream here. It's a treat. Apgar Bike Trail starts here. Schoolhouse gift shop on the left, the bike path from the parking lot leads to visitor center. Montana House craft shop. Backcountry permits are ahead on right. Thanks for watching.